Hello New Zealand, thanks so much for joining us. I'm Philip Duncan. Well, Monday kicks off with a bit of a windy change. There's nor'westers over the North Island, they're still fairly mild, but in the South Island a colder sou'wester is developing. So you can see this large area of low pressure down around the southern part of New Zealand and stretching down to the Southern Ocean. The big clockwise wind movement around it, that's the large area of, the nor'westers for the North Island and the approaching sou'westers that are moving up the South Island and heading into the North Island for Tuesday, and the subtropical portion that is now east of the Chatham Islands. So Tuesday shapes up like this. That sou'wester sweeps right over the North Island. It's nothing too brutal, there's just a few showers. The temperature drops another degree or so, but eastern areas are still fairly dry. We'll see showers in the main centres like Auckland, Hamilton and New Plymouth, and then further south around Invercargill there'll be a few showers, and maybe even in Dunedin as well. Both Christchurch and Wellington should be dry. Let's get into the middle of the week, and Wednesday sees high pressure building around the Tasman and also another big high out over Australia. That encourages a westerly over the country, a couple of showers in the north, more frequent down in the South Island's west coast, and also a little bit colder down around Southland. There's a bit of a cold change sweeping through there at night time. But look at this, this is how we shape up for Thursday. It is pretty settled. High pressure is dominating around New Zealand. There will be that early cold start in the very south, and that blows away to the east. So just a couple of remaining showers for you on Thursday. And by the time we get to Friday, high pressure still in charge. There is a developing low out there towards Australia. But as for New Zealand, apart from one or two showers, nothing too serious going on. And Saturday looks pretty settled as well, with high pressure in charge. Half of New Zealand, in fact more than half of the country, in for a drier than average week, which is pretty good news with the school holidays. That's all from me. We'll update you again on Tuesday.